Good morning, students. Have a nice Tuesday. Let us start to learn about Arunima Sinha, A Journey of My Life. Let us see about scale 2. Once Arunima's sister's husband made fun Arunima. Arunima, Everest chadogi. He is saying he made fun. Arunima, Everest chadogi, because he had read a very interesting information piece in the newspaper. Very interesting piece of information, and the sentence he had read is this: he had read very interesting piece of information. No female amputee had ever scaled Everest. No female amputee. Not possible for female amputee to climb Everest. And he made job. He made fun. Arunima, Everest chadogi. Arunima, she did not like his such sentence. She told that she had lost her left leg and he was talking about Mount Everest. She didn't like his words. Everest chadogi, because she had lost her leg and he was talking about climbing Everest. She was displeased, but Arunima, she was a determined lady, firm-minded, sure-footed. She believed in challenge. She believed in challenge. She accepted. Take up. She accepted his challenge. She said upon herself, if I could have a shot, if I could take a shot at Everest and succeed, she would be the first lady, female amputee to climb Mount Everest and hold that record. She believed in challenge. She thought that life is a challenge. Life is a challenge. Accept it. So she accepted challenge. Everest chadogi. Accepted from leave. And she thought upon herself that if she could take a shot. If she could take a shot. If she could take a shot at Everest and succeed, then what will happen? She would be the first female amputee. She would be the first female amputee to climb Mount Everest and hold that record. She didn't lose her courage. She was a courageous lady. She was a thought upon that words, upon these words, and she told him that she would succeed to climb Mount Everest. Time will justify. She told her sister's husband, Sahib, time will justify who is right, who is wrong. I will certainly climb Mount Everest. And then she looked forward. She looked forward. She looked forward for her artificial leg to arrive. When her artificial leg arrived, she was overjoyed. She became very happy. And it was like real leg. Her artificial leg, it was just like a real leg. She couldn't find any difference between the real leg and artificial leg. She couldn't find any difference. It was just like a real leg. She became very happy when it arrived. After that, she set her eyes. She set her eyes on Everest and prepared herself to climb Mount Everest. Let us see unfamiliar words. Amputee. A-M-P-U-T-E-E. Amputee means, what do you know about amputee? Amputee means a person. Amputee, it is one kind of a person whose limb has been removed. Try to understand the meaning of amputee. Amputee means a person whose limb means organ, like hand, like leg, like finger, whose limb has been removed by surgery. Amputee. Okay, clear? So amputee means a person whose limb has been removed. Second, to take a shot. Idiom. To take a shot. That means to make an attempt. To do something. Very important idiom. Keep it in your mind. Remember, again Arunima thought. She thought upon herself. She told herself. What did she tell? What did she tell? She told that if she could make an attempt, if she could take a shot, if she could have a chance, if she could have a chance at Everest and succeed, she would be the first female amputee to climb Everest and hold that record, right? To take a shot is equal to make an attempt. Second idiom, to look forward. To look forward, that means to wait eagerly. To wait very eagerly. To look forward means to wait eagerly. She looked eagerly. For what? An artificial lake. And when it arrived, she became very happy. She was overjoyed. She was overjoyed. Because she was waiting for it very eagerly. And when it came, became very happy. It was just like a real lake. She couldn't find any difference between real and artificial. And after that, she set her eyes on. Another idiom, set on. She set her eyes. Her eyes means vision. She set her eyes on Everest. She set her eyes on Everest, climbing Everest, her mission, and prepared herself. Set on means focus on. Focus on, to concentrate. Arunima Sneha. Now, what happened in scheme 3? Now let us see about scheme 3. The story is journey of my life. It was divided in 4 schemes. Now let us see scheme 3. It was about 2 years past after she was thrown out from the moving train. 2 years past. After that, Arunima Sneha, she started out her training institute. She started out her training institute. An institute that was set up by Bachendri Pal. Training institute, it was set up by Bachendri Pal at Uttar Kashi. Arunima started her training institute. Started means arranged. Started out, arranged. She arranged for her training institute. She was ready to join herself in training institute. Where it is situated? Situated in Uttar Kashi by Bachendri Pal. She went there. She went there. When she reached there, she called Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal, they had already reached Uttar Kashi. Arunima told Bachendri Pal that they had already reached Uttar Kashi. When Bachendri Pal heard her, when Bachendri Pal heard her that they had already arrived at Uttar Kasi. She told, she was surprised. She was surprised and told Arunima, Arunima, you had arrived very quickly, very fast. You had arrived, knowing she was surprised. Arunima, you had come, you had arrived very quickly. Second thing, she also told Arunima, Arunima, you are far better. You are far better from others. You are far better from others because you are not suffering. You are not suffering though you are handicapped. You are far better. That means she is far better from others because she was not suffering. Bachendri Pal told her she was not suffering though she was handicapped. Far better. Hearing Bachendri Pal's words, Arunima's confidence was skyrocketing. New words. When she heard Bachendri Pal saying, Arunima, you are far better from others. You are very far better from others. Because others are ordinary. You are extraordinary person. You are far better. You are not suffering, though you are handicapped. You are with an artificial leg, but you are not suffering. You are far better. Hearing Bachendri Pal, Arunima's confidence was skyrocketing. Her confidence skyrocketed. Skyrocketed means new word, increase. Increase fast. Her confidence increased. And Bachendri Pal, what did she do? What did she do? She always found. Bachendri Pal always found fresh confidence. Bachendri Pal always found fresh confidence in Arunima. That means she always encouraged her. She always encouraged her. Arunima's confidence skyrocketed, increased. After that, she met Arunima and told Arunima, Arunima, before Everest expedition, Bachendri Pal told Arunima, Arunima, very good thing that you have already arrived at Uttar Kasi, my institute. You are far better. But here, I put one condition. I put one condition. Arunima, before Everest expedition, before Everest expedition, you have to prove yourself. You have to prove yourself. You have to pass from one test whether you are able or not. You have to prove yourself for Everest expedition. She put one condition. She put one condition. Arunima, if you want to climb Everest, you have to climb. You have to climb 21,798 feet high Chamsar Kangdi in Ladakh. In Ladakh. You have to prove yourself. This is one kind of test. This is one kind of test. If you want to climb Everest, you have to prove yourself. To climb 21,798 feet high Chamsar Kangdi in Ladakh. And if you clear this test, your way to Everest will be clear, will be yours. If you pass, if you clear yourself from this test, 21,798 feet high Chamsar Kangdi in Ladakh. Arunima, she was determined female lady. She passed this test very successfully. Very successfully. She completed very successfully. When her team came to base camp. When her team came to base camp. Base camp, it was base camp. When they arrived at base camp situated at 18,000 feet high. Base camp. Try to understand. When her team came at base camp situated at 18,000 feet high. What happened when they arrived there? When her team arrived, 16 members out of 19. 16 members out of 19 had retired. They left the way. They left the way of climbing Everest. Climbing Everest. Out of 19, 16 members had retired. Bachendri Pal, she met her at base camp. She greeted very warmly. Her greeted. Bachendri Pal greeted her. Heading close, very close. She made her with warm greeted at base camp. After that, she encouraged Arunima. Bachendri Pal encouraged Arunima. How did she encourage her? How did she encourage her? How? In what way? By saying, Arunima, oh मेरी शेरनी, oh मेरी शेरनी. Now I am sure that you will climb Everest. She encouraged her by saying, "Oh, मेरी शेरनी." At night, she announced. At night, she announced that Arunima was ready to climb She was ready to climb Everest. That means she was able to climb Everest. At night she announced that Arunima, she would climb Everest. She was able, she could, was able, she could announce at night. Second thing, she also assured her. She made sure, confirmed, she assured her. Arunima, I also told the officials at Tata Steel. Arunima, I also told the officials at Tata Steel to sponsor you to fulfill your dream to climb Everest. She also assured her at night, Arunima, I also told the officials at Tata Steel to sponsor you to fulfill your dream. Hearing this, Arunima became very happy. Her confidence skyrocketed. Her confidence skyrocketed. Now let us see unfamiliar words. Expedition. Expedition. Expedition means expedition. To climb. To climb with a group of people. Expedition, climbing. Expedition means to climb. To climb with a group of people. Teamwork. With a group of people for specific purpose. For specific purpose. Expedition. Everest expedition. Second thing, retreat. Retreat means home. Held very close, treated with warmly treated with love. Greeted. Started out, arranged. Sponsor means a person. To sponsor means a person who pays cost. Who pays cost. A person who pays cost.